What? What do you want me to help you with? You need to take a couple more bites.
2.
2 would be fine. There's 1. Now you need 1 more bite, because you already had 1.
2.
Yes.
2.
2. She's in the bathroom. I already told you. She's in the bathroom.
Oh!
Ha. You crazy kid.
No.
What?
No.
Bye, Bethie.
Oh, bye.
I love you.
Yeah.